Good morning, class 11. My dear student, today's topic permutation and combination. That is continue. Exercise 7.2. Question number 1. Second part. Evaluate 4 factorial minus 3 factorial. Student, whenever there is a factorial, first of all we will simplify the factorial. So 4 factorial is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 minus 3 factorial 3 into 2 into 1. It is 4 to the 12, 12 to the 24 minus 6. So it is 80. Or another method, we will break big factorial into small factorial. So we can write it 4 factorial minus 3 factorial as 4 factorial into 3 factorial minus 3 factorial. Here 3 factorial common, then it is 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 factorial is 6. 6 into 3 is 18. So this is the another method to solve the 4 factorial minus 3 factorial. Now next is question number 3. Compute 8 factorial divided by 6 factorial into 2 factorial. Dear student, here we will break 8 factorial into small factorials. So it is 8 into 7 into 6 factorial divided by 6 factorial into 2 factorial. It is cancelled out. 2 factorial is 2. 2 4 is 8. 4 7 is 28. So answer is 28. Now, dear student, next is question number 4. If 1 upon 6 factorial plus 1 upon 7 factorial is equal to x upon 8 factorial. Find x. See the solution. Dear student, here we will break big factorial into small factorial. So 1 upon 6 factorial, it is smaller one, we will not break. 7 factorial can be written as 7 into 6 factorial is equal to x upon 8 factorial is 8 into 7 into 6 factorial. Now here 1 upon 6 factorial common. So it is 1 plus 1 upon 7 is equal to x upon 8 into 7 into 6 factorial. Here 6 factorial cancel out, then take the LCM. LCM is 7. It is 7 plus 1 is equal to x upon 8 into 7. 7 7 cancel. 7 plus 1 is 8 equal to x upon 8. From this we will get 8 8 is 64. So value of x is 64. Now, dear student, next is question number 5. Evaluate n factorial upon n minus r factorial when in the first part n equal to 6 and r equal to 2. Now we will put the value of n and r. It is 6 factorial upon 6 minus 2 factorial. Dear student, 6 minus 2 is 4. So it is 6 upon 4 factorial. Now we will break big factorial into small factorial. So it is 6 into 5 into 4 factorial divided by 4 factorial. It's cancel. 6 5 is 30. So answer is 30. Now, dear student, next topic is permutation. Dear student, as you know, permutation is the arrangement of the given objects. Dear student, there are n distinct objects. And we are going to select r object from these n objects. Let r object to be selected. Now, it is called NPR. That is the permutation of n objects are given and we are going to select r object from n object. So r cannot be more than n. Here r is less than n equal to n. Now there is a formula for NPR. NPR equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. So NPR is n factorial upon n minus r factorial. This is the formula. And we will use this formula when there are n distinct objects. If objects are not distinct, they are alike, then we cannot use this formula. So important thing is this. Here all the objects are distinct. They are not alike. Dear student, factorial 0 is 1. So, if n equal to r, then it is nPn. And it is factorial upon 0 factorial, and npn equal to n factorial. So if we select 5 objects when only 5 objects are given, then it is called 5p5. 5 objects are given and we are selecting all the objects and then we are arranging them. So then there are the ways of arrangement. So total number of arrangement are npn. It is 5 factorial and value of 5 factorial is 120. So there are 120 permutations when 5 objects are given and we are selecting all the objects at a time.